Okay, it's bananas.
Yeah.
And it is the monkey tail game. You get 2 monkey tails, and then it comes with a belt, and the belt goes around.
You have to
your
wear
waist.
it?
Yeah, you got to wear your
Yes.
monkey tail.
And now you have to walk around and bend down and loop. And
All right, I'm
But
getting this.
it's a riot.
Previously on TWiT.
Coming up next on Hands on Windows, we're going to finally take a look at Windows setup and what has changed in Windows 11 version 22H2. Some of it may surprise you.
This week in Enterprise Tech.
40% of surveyed data scientists, business analysts, and students have scaled back their use of open source components since vulnerabilities in open source components have forced them to reevaluate the code frequently used in analysis and the creation of machine learning models.
All about Android.
Here's my Z Fold 4.
Oh, looks so
As
stylish.
you can see, I have a cute Kate Spade case on it.
Ooh.
It is a portable tablet device to the point that using it when it's closed might feel a little awkward because this is a slightly more narrow phone than what you're used to in the Android world. It's like this slightly thinner brick. You can look through it.
TWiT.
Jeez. Or like a
It doesn't
Viewmaster.
close all the way.
I can definitely see through it. Oh, that's weird. I didn't.
See?